In this tutorial, I'll be demonstrating how to fix the 7 most common hreflang errors using a dedicated checker. First, let's check for invalid HTTP response errors. These occur when the hreflang URLs are inaccessible and return an error instead of the correct page. To fix this, I'll update the incorrect alternate URL so it points to the correct existing page. Now, let's move on to duplicate hreflang entries. This error is generated when multiple hreflang tags point to the same language or region. To resolve this, I'll edit the page's hreflang data and remove the duplicate tag causing the issue. Next, I'll address the missing self-referencing hreflang error. Every page should include a self-referencing tag that specifies the language and region for that page. To solve this, I'll add the missing self-reference for the About page. The next error to solve is incorrect language, script, or region codes. This error occurs when the codes used to identify the language, script, or region do not conform to the valid ISO codes required for the hreflang tag. Note that since Hreflang Manager uses hard-coded ISO codes, it's impossible to use an invalid ISO code with this plugin. However, for demonstration purposes, I've simulated the error by adding the tag directly in a theme template file. After checking again, the issue will be resolved and no longer reported. Next, I'll address the missing hreflang xdefault issue. This directive is crucial because it tells search engines which page version to serve when no other rule applies. To solve this, I'll simply add the xdefault tag to the page. Hreflang checkers. Report the missing return link issue when the tags in the alternate pages don't reference the primary page as their alternate version. For example, if page A has an alternate version, page B, then page B should also have page A as its alternate version. In this specific case, the Italian version of the About page doesn't include a link back. To solve this, I'll add the missing return link. The canonical and hreflang conflict issue occurs when the canonical URL is not referenced in the tags on the page. To solve this, I'll remove the fragment identifier from the alternate URL. I hope this video helped you better understand the reports generated by hreflang checkers. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments.